Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Name, a word or set of words by which a person, animal, or thing is known or addressed. Nation, a large group of people united by common descent, history, culture, or language, inhabiting a particular country. Natural, existing in or caused by nature, not made or caused by humankind. Nature, the physical world and everything in it, such as plants, animals, and landscapes. Near, at or within a short distance of something. Necessary, required to be done, achieved, or present, essential. Need, to require something because it is essential or very important. Never, at no time in the past, present, or future. New, recently made, discovered, or created. News, newly received or noteworthy information, especially about recent events. Next, coming immediately after the present one in time or order. Nice, pleasant, enjoyable, or satisfactory. Night, the time between sunset and sunrise when it is dark. No, used to give a negative response or to deny something. None, not any, no part or quantity. Nor, used to introduce a further negative statement. North, the direction toward the top of a map, one of the 4 cardinal points of the compass. Not, used to form a negative phrase. Note, a brief record of facts, topics, or thoughts, typically written down. Nothing, not anything, no single thing. Notice, to become aware of something or to pay attention to it. Now, at the present moment or time. Number, a figure used to count, measure, or label something.